Welcome to the Brisbane condos here in the beautiful valley of Oceanside, just next door to Camp Pendleton and the 5 freeway. I want to take you on a beautiful tour of this home, so let's go in and check it out. This awesome 2-story townhome features a laundry room, 2-car garage, living room with a fireplace, and a full kitchen. In the kitchen, you've got a dining area, an open space to the dining room, and a fully covered patio in your backyard. Now let's go check out the second story. The upstairs features 3 bedrooms with the master on the second floor. The master bedroom features vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, double sinks, and a ceiling fan. The community features a tot lot, community pool, and easy access on and off Camp Pendleton.